day everyone. Today we are going to present our business proposal, Student Hub, named Common Ground, where every vibe finds its place. I am Lawrence de Guzman, together with my team, Chris Jordan Gabriel, John Paul Gabanit, Rosmin San Jose, Gio Di Mapawi, John Fitzgerald Cornico, and John Jexter Natividad. A business proposal presented to the Faculty of Electrical Engineering Department, Nueva Ecija University of Science and Technology, in partial fulfillment of the requirements for the degree, Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering. Under the supervision of Engineer Marvin D.B. Bartolome, REE, RME, our research instructor. We choose Common Ground as our business since it is common for students to seek places where they can spend their free time, particularly during long breaks. With that being said, we identify an opportunity to establish a business that not only provides students with a comfortable place to stay, but also responds to their social and recreational needs. San Isidro Nueva Ecija, a second-class municipality in the Philippines, is home to several academic institutions, such as the Nueva Ecija University of Science and Technology San Isidro Campus, General De Jesus College, and T.A. Dionisio High School. Although a few coffee shops and small eateries cater students in that area, these establishments generally have limited space and amenities. Where did Common Ground came from? Common Ground is a student hub that offers friendly budget meals, pastries, coffee, and other beverages. It provides both dine-in and al fresco options, complemented by entertainment amenities such as board games, billiards, karaoke, and basketball coin-operated machines. Designed to foster social interaction, Common Grounds serves as a welcoming space where students can hang out, connect, and enjoy their leisure time. In Common Ground, we are dedicated to offering more than just affordable meals, pastries, and coffee. We want to create a place where students can unwind, have fun, and connect with others. Our goal is to build a space that feels open and welcoming, where students can eat, hang out, and stay as long as they like, without worrying about limited seating or time. To ensure profits of our business, here are the methods we are going to use.
The first method is SWOT analysis. McDonald's performs SWOT analysis to leverage its strong global brand, efficient supply chain, and adaptable menu to address market changes.
The second method is business model canvas. Amazon has created a dynamic and scalable business model that continuously evolves to meet changing market demands and technological advancement. This adaptability has contributed to Amazon's success as one of the world's leading e-commerce and technology companies.
The third method is Pareto's Principles. Although no Filipino businessman is known to use the Pareto's Principle exclusively, figures like late Henry C. of SM Investment likely applied its ideas. The 80-20 rule states that 80% of results came from 20% of efforts, guiding business leaders to focus on their most valuable customers, products, or tasks.
The fourth method to ensure profit is Value Proposition Canvas. Jollibee Food Corporation, founded by Tony Tan Cakchong, is the leading fast food chain in the Philippines and a beloved symbol of Filipino culture. Through the lens of the Value Proposition Canvas, Jollibee's success can be understood by how well it aligns its offering with the needs and desires of its customers.
The fifth method is Six Sigma. Motorola, the birthplace of Six Sigma. Motorola developed the method in 1986 to improve quality and efficiency in its telecommunication manufacturing.
The last method is Lean Concept. Nike has embraced lean manufacturing to improve efficiency and reduce waste in its supply chain. The company focuses on creating value for customers by eliminating non-value-adding activities, improving product quality, and ensuring timely delivery.